Hello friends, this is Andipan here back again with another tutorial video. I know it's been a long time I posted the last video, but I got stuck in some of my works. But now, as I am back, I hope we can end this series pretty soon. So, in the last tutorial, we have learned all about Python list comprehension with a number of different examples. So today we are going to learn another important topic on list and probably much more important than list comprehension, that is list slicing. So if you ask the question that is this topic really important to learn, then let me tell you this will add more syntactic sugar to your Python code and really makes your code shorter and cleaner. There are many situations where you want an operation to be done with just one line of code, then this is must for you to learn. After this tutorial, you will surely realize the importance of list slicing technique. So, without any further ado, let's dive into it. Now let's talk about list slicing. Let's consider the same colors list. Colors equals orange, red, yellow, black, green, sky blue. The syntax of slicing looks like this: colors and then inside square brackets m colon n, where m is the start index and it goes up to index n minus 1 and returns a new list containing the elements ranging from index m to index n minus 1. Seems confusing? Let me give an example. So, if I want to print the part of the list starting from index 2 to index 4, we can do it like this: print colors of 2 colon 5. So, we always have to keep in mind that the last index will be excluded while creating a new list. And as expected, we can see on the output it prints yellow, black, green. Now, if we want to create a new list which will include all the elements from the existing list, we can use it like this: print colors and inside square brackets just a colon. So in this case, if we left the to position blank, Python will take all the elements from the list. So in that case, the first position will be taken as 0 and the second position it will assume as the length of the list. So it will be same as writing print colors of and inside square brackets 0 colon len of colors. So it will give the same output. Now if I want to create a list using list slicing where I want to include elements from the starting up to a particular index, we can do it like this: print colors and inside square brackets we will keep the first position blank and then colon, then any particular index, here in case I am taking 4. So this will start from the beginning or the 0th index of the list and goes up to index 3. So we can say it stops before the index 4 and creates a new list containing orange, red, yellow, black values, as you can see in the output as well. Similarly, if we want to create a list starting from a particular index till the end of the list, we can do this way: print colors inside square brackets 3 colon, and in this case we will keep the second position blank. So this will take the elements starting from index 3 up to the end. So you can see the output list contains the elements black, green, sky blue. Now we can use the negative indexing 2 to indicate the range and the part of a list. So if we try to print this colors and then inside square brackets colon minus 2, so this will start taking from the first and continue before the second last element in the list. We can also specify a step parameter in the list slicing. So instead of taking elements one exactly after another, we can take a step to skip elements. So if I define a list of numbers like this, nums equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and want to take only the odd numbers, by observing this list I can do it like this: print nums, and then inside square brackets, semicolon. I am not giving the first and the second values because I want the whole list, and then another colon 2. So the third value here is the step value. The step value is by default 1. So for the previous examples you have seen that the elements are printing one by one, but we can skip middle elements as well by a number of steps. So instead of taking one step for each element, now it will take two steps and skip the middle one in each iteration. So in the output you can see the new list will contain only the odd numbers, so the middle even numbers will be skipped. Now a bonus tip here, we can easily reverse a list by using just list slicing. So that case, instead of taking a positive step, if we put a negative step, it will start taking elements from the last and goes up to the beginning. So if I print something like this, print nums and inside square brackets semicolon semicolon -1. So I am specifying two things here. One is I want the full list, so I have kept the first and the second position blank, and two is I want to take it from the last, so I am specifying the step by a negative value here. So this will print the list in a reverse order, as you can see. And lastly, the final bonus tip, we can use Python built-in functions with slicing too. So in case if we don't want to perform the methods like sum, min, max, etc. on the whole list but on a part of the list, we can do so using list slicing technique. So let's see an example of that. If I want to calculate the sum of the nums starting from the index 2 up to index 5 of the list, we can do it like this. Print sum of nums and inside square brackets 2 colon 6. So as you can see, this is giving me the sum between that range, that is 18 elements including 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, this way we can apply any method with a sliced list. So this is all about list slicing, and I believe you have also realized the importance of these two techniques and will be able to use those techniques while coding, which surely helps you to be a great developer. So that's been said, I'm ending today's video here. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, give a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can create more such helpful contents. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.